Me and my classmates are here to talk to you all about today in Chapter 4, dealing with cell and the energy conversion. Here are 4 of the main compartments of this process of energy conversion. Here we have the sun, which provides the sun rays that heads towards the plant cells, which are also a vital and key part of the process. We also have the chloroplast, who has many functions and compartments which will be key in the process. And finally, we have the process of photosynthesis, the conversion of sunlight energy into chemical energy. This is to convert solar energy into chemical energy for the plant by absorbing sunlight, using it to drive the synthesis of organic compounds such as sugars from CO2 to H2O. The chloroplasts contain green pigment energy, along with enzymes, molecules, in the photosynthetic production of sugar. The membranes of the chloroplast divide the chloroplast into 3 different compartments. The chloroplast has an inner membrane space, shown here, the stroma as the second, and the thylakoid space. The compartmental organization enables the chloroplast to convert light energy and chemical energy during the photosynthesis process, which is key for the plant. To be key, the plant has the chloroplast cells in the leaves. The sunlight rays head towards the leaves and is absorbed into the plant. Next, in Chapter 4, we will move on from talking about energy conversion into specific functions of cells, more specifically, the Golgi apparatus. About an important function of the Golgi apparatus. After leaving the ER, many transport vesicles travel to the Golgi apparatus. We can think of the Golgi as a warehouse for receiving, sorting, and shipping, and even manufacturing. Here, the products of the ER, such as proteins, are modified and stored and sent to their destinations. As you can see, there are specific destinations with specific functions. Not surprisingly, the apparatus is extensive in specified cell secretion. The Golgi apparatus also consists of flattened membrane sacs, looking like stacks of pizza bread. Here, as you can see, they are never physically connected, but they're layered on top of each other, sort of like a type of cake. The Golgi apparatus repeats this process, steadily taking vesicles back and forth to the Golgi apparatus into the specific regions. A Golgi sac is structured and function directly with the cis face and receives vesicles containing ER products and trans face that dispatches the vesicles. Talk about the difference between animal and plant cells, as well as the things they have in common, starting with the cytoskeleton.
I am the reinforcer of the cell shape.
Next is the nucleus.
I am the brain of the cell.
Now we have lysosome.
The macromolecules dehydrolyze.
Next, we would use
peroxisome. I'm a byproduct of hydrogen peroxisome.
and there are also other factors of the animal cell as well.
Ribosomes. I also make the protein.
In the animal cell, we have
The mitochondria, where cells respiration and ATP are generated.
specifically about the plant cell and what it has in different from the animal cell, starting with
Central vascular, which breaks down waste products.
next. After that, we will go on to talk about
Chloroplast, the photosynthetic organelle of the plant.
I'm the cell wall. I'm the outer layer. I protect the cell and then I maintain the shape of the cell. I'm a cell wall.
Plasmata. I channel cell walls.
all of these are vital for the plant cells so that they may function and still be different from the animal cell.